Hello, Sanibonani, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. It is absolutely 100% free mahala to subscribe. Please do subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video. This is just an appreciation video. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to my channels, both Thenjiwe Comedy and Thenjiwe TV, which are my two channels that I currently have on YouTube. And I rely on you to let me know what type of content you want. I think we have an idea now what content is making you happy on Thenjiwe TV, and that the content we are going to continue doing on that channel. And that is the content that you have shown the most interest in. It seems to be the traditional stuff, the cultural stuff. And if you are not a Zulu speaker, please do forgive me. But Zulus are difficult people to deal with. They do not want to speak English. I go and interview people and I do understand exactly where they come from. Some things just cannot be translated. Some things just become impossible to say in a different language or to say in English. They lose their meaning, absolutely. They lose their meaning, and it is much better for us when we speak isiZulu, especially when we talk about culture, because there are things that cannot be translated and they don't sound as good when they are said in English. So please do forgive me if you do not speak Zulu, or if your Zulu is not Zulu A, because I know the content has a lot of people who speak Zulu A. But please be patient with me, and I do try my best to put subtitles, but it is difficult. Guys, it is difficult to translate isiZulu, to translate English into Zulu, or not English into Zulu is better. It's to translate Zulu into English that is so difficult, because Zulu is a very poetic language. It's sometimes not what we are saying, but how we are saying it. That's why when you read and you just get confused, you would see, why are these people laughing? It's not funny. And also, sometimes I try to subtitles and I'm like, Kempela, how do you say that in English? Some people will be like, Mangitintla, nailenj, and then I must translate that. And when you write it in simple English, sometimes it just gets lost, or ingablela zami, or inyongo. When you just say bye, people who are not Zulu, sometimes you have to understand the culture to understand the context of the words that are used. So please do forgive me for not subtitling everything, because sometimes I try and then I'm like, this thing is losing its context. Even if I try to subtitle it, it's gonna lose its context, and I don't want to be exactly what we're trying to run away from. We want to tell our own stories, and I want to give people the freedom of speaking in a language they are most comfortable in. I don't want to interview people in a language where they will not be themselves and where they will not be able to express themselves fully with 100% confidence. So please do forgive me. And the reason I'm doing this video in English is because I have had a lot of requests from my English followers and my English supporters with it, but you're doing too much Zulu and you're not putting subtitles. We are getting lost. The content is looking good, but we are not following what is happening. Please do forgive me, guys. I have not forgotten you. In fact, I'm even really seriously considering doing another channel, because you must remember, first and foremost, I am a stand-up comedian, and when I do stand-up comedy, I travel around the world. So I do have fans that are non-Zulu, not just outside South Africa, but even within South Africa itself. So I do now see the need for me to do a channel where I can serve those people, where I can do Zulu content in the two channels that I have. Comedy is going to remain as a comedy channel, and then the other channel is going to be remaining as a channel for cultural things, where Zulu people or Nguni people or people who do understand the language can come in, learn what they need to learn about the culture, ask the questions. And we've been doing so well. Every Monday we have Dr. Mguni, who comes and educates us about our culture, all the things that we have lost in the system, all the indigenous knowledge, which is very important to us as Zulu people. And I understand that you guys really appreciate that. And that channel is even followed by a lot of people I never knew were even on YouTube. it's followed by like grown-ups, people who are grown, and some chiefs and some kings from some KZN villages have been saying what they watch the shows and they love it. So please do forgive me. And guys, please do let me know if you think there is a need for me to open another channel where I will just only use English, so that everyone can be accommodated, so that the content can be inclusive. And in that channel I will do mostly vlogs, story times, and just topics that people can identify with regardless of their tribe or culture or where they are in the world, where they will get to know me behind the scenes, what I get to. I used to do vlogs on my comedy channel, but I've decided that channel is just going to be for comedy. If it's not comedy, it's not going on that channel. And then I am thinking, I did say in the beginning, oh, if we get to 20,000 on Thenjiwe TV, then I will do an English channel. And it looks like now it is possible. We are going to get to 20,000 very soon, hopefully before the end of the year or very early next year. And I don't want to lose my audience because, as you know, stand-up comedy is my main hustle. It's my main career, and it's not a thing that I only do in Zulu. I do it in different languages. When I'm outside South Africa, I do it in English, or even within South Africa, I have a lot of English audiences that do come and support my shows, and they also want to follow me on YouTube. So I'm thinking to bring back the vlogs. I'm currently on lockdown. I'm still in England, so there's not that much to vlog about. But as soon as things open up, I will start doing the vlogs. I will start doing the story times, and I will do lives that will be done in English on the new channel. So if you have a suggestion for a name for the new channel, or if you think it's going to be too many channels, but if you are thinking for me and you're thinking it's going to be a lot of work, it's not. It is the same as putting 3 videos on one channel. The only problem is that things get lost. There is no order, because you come there, you see a video in a language you don't understand, and then the next 2 videos are on a topic that doesn't interest you, and then the next video is a comedy. So if I do them in different categories, so it's still going to be me, it's still going to be my channel, but you'll just know, oh, I don't speak Zulu, so I'll go to the English channel, or I just want advice about cultural stuff, you'll go to Thenjiwe TV, or I want to see interviews with other people, you go to Thenjiwe TV. If you want to laugh, you want comedy skits, you want comic relief, you know you're going to Thenjiwe Comedy. So if you have not subscribed to all my channels, please do subscribe to both of them, Thenjiwe TV and Thenjiwe Comedy. And like I promised, when we do get to 20,000, I am seriously considering opening another channel where I will do just English. If you are here and you think you would be happy for me to have a channel that operates in English, please do let me know in the comment down below. And also, if there are any topics or any subjects or anything that you would like me to talk about. I know you guys used to like my vlogs and story times a lot, which I haven't done in a while, mostly because I haven't traveled. And I have so many videos that I shot pre-lockdown, because I was on tour when lockdown happened. So I'm thinking maybe I can start the new channel by introducing those videos and telling you what was happening and what I was planning. And I have so many stories to share. You know, I never run out of stories. So please do let me know, will you be subscribing? What should I call the new channel? And also, don't forget, subscribe to both channels, Thenjiwe TV and Thenjiwe Comedy. I'm going to put this video on both channels. Yeah, we'll see which channel has more people that want me to open the other channel. And if you are subscribed on both channels already, please do let me know in the comments down below that you have already subscribed on both channels, because subscribing on YouTube is free, guys. It's not a relationship. You don't have to subscribe only on one channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I love you and I appreciate you. I appreciate your love and I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being with me throughout lockdown. You have made my lockdown a little bit better, a little bit more manageable. I didn't go through depression and stress just because of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. You might be far from me, but I feel the love. I feel the love. Like we are together. So thank you so much, and do let me know down below what you think I should call the new channel, and if you will be subscribing or you are staying in the Zulu channel. Just put in the comment, I am coming or I am staying here, so that I know how many people are coming with me to the new English channel. But you can do both. Yes, you come and you stay. You come. When I say come, I'm thinking of other things. Yeah, you can follow both channels. You can subscribe to both channels. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, please don't forget, subscribe, like, and watch my previous videos. It means a lot to me when you watch my content. I love you. I wish you a very, very happy and safe festive season. Don't forget, Mr. Rona is still around. Wash your hands, social distance, and wear your mask. Kulungileke, bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.